One of the coolest names we'll see. His name is Knight. So he's gonna battle out this course here. He's been doing ninja for 3 years. He's 10 years. Oh no, he's not 10 years old. He's a 10th runner. He's been doing ninja for 3 years. Woo! Fingertips. He's taking some nice big swings.
Stick it.
Nice. Yup. So Knight is making his way through the course, and he can static this. Almost had too much there, and then kind of had to pull it back a little bit. Moderating strength is something that a lot of ninjas struggle to do, because we always tell them harder, and then that's too much, and then it's like, oh, not that much. So, but he's doing great. He loves tackle football and Ohio Crush baseball, so that must be his baseball team. So again, multiple sport athlete. Multiple, yeah. Nice. You can tell he moves with enthusiasm. He moves quickly, and he loves French fries. His favorite food, favorite junk food is French fries. That's a
good luck.
I think there's a quick review of something, just a little technical thing. A new tab. I get the crowd to go rock you or something.
Mac and cheese.
All right, everybody say American cheese. We got Knight on the course. He had a great run earlier. He's been doing ninja for 3 years. He's a tackle football player, and he plays baseball, so well-rounded athlete, does a lot of different sports. He is controlling that spit turning, which is really nice. Good balance, good. He's got this ring hop. He loves French fries. French fries are great. Everybody loves French fries. Well, I don't know about everybody, but most people love French fries. I don't think I've ever met anyone that doesn't like them. Now, which fries are the best? Who has the best fries out there? My vote is for Five Guys. They got some really good zesty fries. Knight is crushing this course. Now he just needs to reline himself up, and he's good.
Step.
And balance.
Go up the purple ladder. Pull it down. You can use the side. You can use the cannonball. Nice.
All right, jumps on.
Consistent movement.
He's got good flow, good reaches here.
Big reach. Good, buddy. I love the skipping. Keep skipping. It's doing great.
Nice.
Doing great. We're landing and staying on great. Landing and staying. Stay on it.
There you go.
Nice. We have another chance for a full clear, so he could I believe he cleared the last course.
Make sure not to kick it. Two-hand hop.
Get 2 different clears on both courses. Nice. Oh, look at that power. Hits the buzzer. Great finish. Nice job by Knight right there.